In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find the order details of your Norton product or service. This simple process will help you track your purchases, check renewal dates, and manage your subscriptions with ease. Whether you're looking to review your purchase history or confirm your subscription status, follow along these steps, and you'll have all the information you need in just a few minutes. First, you'll want to begin by navigating to the Norton official website. This is the hub for all things Norton, including antivirus and anti-malware software, and it's where you'll manage your account. Make sure you have a steady internet connection and a browser ready to go. Then type in the URL or search for the Norton official site on your preferred search engine. Once you're on the home page of the Norton official site, look for the My Account section. This is usually found at the top right corner of the web page. Clicking on My Account will direct you to a page where you can access all your account-related features. If you're not already signed in, don't worry. There's a quick step to handle that. Next, click on the Sign In button. This might prompt you to enter your login credentials, such as your email and password you used when creating your Norton account. If you've forgotten your details, there should be a recovery option to help you retrieve or reset your information. Signing in will give you full access to your Norton dashboard, where you can manage your account. Once you've successfully signed in, head over to Norton Home. This might be labeled simply as Home in some versions, and it's essentially your dashboard where you can view all of your Norton products and services. It provides a comprehensive overview of your account, from your current subscriptions to services available. With the Norton homepage open, navigate to the area labeled My Account. This is your main hub for all things related to your Norton services and is key to finding order details. Here you'll find various options and features that relate to your subscriptions. Now, look for the option labeled Order History. Clicking on this will take you to a detailed list of all the transactions associated with your Norton account. In this section, you can view your purchase history, see billing details, and even check the dates for when your services are due for renewal. If you need to download an invoice or troubleshoot a billing issue, this is the place to start. And that's it. By following these steps, you can effectively manage and view the order details of your Norton products and services. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this guide has helped simplify your Norton account management.